Subscribe to Cooking and Travel by Dr. Papure Borua and press on the bell icon for all notifications.
Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's a rice flour pancake today. I would like to work it out before you as a breakfast alternative, and you can enjoy this crispy recipe with your family and friends and be very happy about it being healthy. What I've done is that I've taken here around 5 tablespoons of rice flour and I've soaked it with some water for around 10 minutes. I have just taken half the quantity of rice flour, that is half the quantity of maida for the rice flour that I have taken. You can also go in for atta, that is the normal flour that you have, wheat flour, but this should be, the quantity should be just half of the rice flour. So here I have taken 5, therefore here I have taken 2.5 tablespoons of refined flour there. I'll need some paneer. I'm just trying to put together everything healthy in my house. If you do not have paneer, you can evade it. But here I've taken some paneer. I'll also be needing 1 tablespoon of curd or dahi and some mushrooms that I have, around 10 mushrooms that I've shredded, and of course some cabbage and some capsicum and some carrot, and the most important thing, of course, for the crunch there, we'll need some onion. So just 1 onion chop there. And I'll also need 1 tablespoon of corn flour for the binding there. I will need a little bit of the ginger garlic paste. So these things going together, we're going to have a crispy breakfast today, which will be an alternative for the normal breakfast that we have. So let's start cooking this in of course we'll be doing the entire cooking in any vegetable or olive oil. Now it's very easy. This has been soaking for 10 minutes now. I'm just going to put in all the other ingredients there that I have chopped up. And you can just use any ingredient that you love, talking about the vegetables there, and something that you can, make your dish very healthy there. So I'm using all my ingredients that I have shown you and all of them together, and we'll just use some more water to make this liquidy and batter form. So we'll use some water here. Also use the maida there. Take it to a bigger bowl if it's very small there, and of course we'll put in the corn flour there. So it's a very nice and healthy recipe. We're just putting together everything good that we have. We're talking about inverted quotes good, right? We'll also put some water so that we get the proper consistency of the batter, and some ginger garlic paste there, and of course some salt there. And just for the tangy flavor and the we're going to give it for the punch there, 1 tablespoon of dahi. So this goes in. Some ginger garlic paste will go in, 1 small teaspoon. So I've given some coriander leaves there and some chili also, and I'll now give the salt that is needed. Always at the end, salt at the end. This way it becomes better to judge how much we actually need. This is done. Taste in for the salt if needed, and you're actually ready to make the rice flour pancake. If you have time, let the batter rest for 5 minutes. So I've put a pan there and I've just put 1 teaspoon of oil there. You just ladle out the mixture as big as you want. Don't make it very big, it'll be difficult to turn over. So that's just 2.5 tablespoons there. And we'll cover and keep it. Let the oil spread. On medium flame, cover and keep it for 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, we'll just very carefully flip it over. And then again, a little higher than medium flame. We'll just cover it for another 1 minute or so. When you know this is done, just remove the cover and let it be there on high flame for a minute or so for the crisp that you want in the edges. That's my rice pancake ready, crispy and something that's very healthy because of the ingredients that you have. So you can just turn around and see it looks as beautiful at the back side also. So I hope you like this recipe of mine, crispy and nice and very healthy alternative. And do give it a like and a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching.